So, welcome to the new channel where me not censored over here, so me adjust my mad self and yeah. Yo, I just me alone are the man in them cool like ice. Happy Sunday and welcome to the uncensored version of me. So Kurt Banton, Micah Brown, don't know, big up yourself, Marlon, Hilton Johnson. Welcome. This is the uncensored version, so nothing a filter upon this channel. Yeah. So as me say in the live on the next channel, I'll be focusing all of my video editing skills over here. And if you're a friend that they introduced me to, welcome to the channel. My name is Akin. So first thing more straight to the point. I know say I'm the police. Layman terms I go down there, so. Alright, when I come Westmoreland, I just want to be clear on this because as I said, uncensored, and a part of the reason for this channel is that I'm 30 years old and I feel like I have enough experience in life now for trying to make some real friends. So I want to do it through this medium where everybody can benefit one kind of way. So yeah, so with the police thing now, the whole of the problem start when I come Westmoreland. When I come Westmoreland is like nobody not like you, like go by the rules, nobody not like you. I'm the kind of person where like me not step back from the challenge, you get me? So yeah. Then start port me all over the place, write me up all over the place. So the thing is, if I get port 3 times, I hit you done for. You can't get no promotion and have no future and the work, none of that. But me never really business about that, and them did know that because me always I say me not care about promotion. So then put me on suicidal watch. And I swear to you, guys, then I put me on suicidal watch for no reason. That was vindictive, you get me? So me look on it and I say, oh, blouse and skirt. Then I go put me on suicidal watch, run me out of the work, and that I go be when I bring to my next employer, right? So I'm up on suicidal watch. So I say I have to figure out something fast. So realize I'm good at video editing, so I say I go jump in weddings, do that, it start work out. YouTube over there, so never that grow. Find out say for get the views, for make the money, I have to do certain kind of videos. So it's like I get forced back in one space so I can't be myself. Whole policing work did I get exhausting and all of that. So yeah, so that are the lowdown with that. You see me, I never want to leave the JCF with. It just look dark and grim if you don't get what I say. So that is that with that. Yes, more I get for know. So where I want to start from is finding out what you guys like. So I can better understand the kind of videos I'm going to make, and I'll have more fun making those videos. So I know some like cameras. So right now I'm using a Nikon Z6. This lens is 24 to 70 millimeters. So it can zoom from 24 to 70 millimeters in and out, right? So yeah, and I'm also shooting at 24 frames per second. If you don't understand what that means, and on the lowdown, if you know somebody will try to get a camera, this can probably come in handy. So yeah, you can act like one like a camera nerd to them. So I'm shooting at 24 frames per second. So in order to understand that, you have to understand video, wherein video is just a series of photos. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, the movement, get me? So this right now is taking 24 photos per second, and it kind of gives it a look as opposed to 60 frames and all that. 60 frames you can shoot at slow-mo. Basically, camera nerd over here. So yeah, Z6 24 frames per second. Yeah. So audio, I just attach one little lapel mic. This is what we use at weddings as well. I don't know, so I'm shoot weddings. First time over here, also shoot weddings. And this is me telling you guys about myself, so you can probably share with me similar things I'm share with you wanna like, so we can better get to know each other. So, you also know so now what somebody will like dancehall music, right? Me's not a violent person. Me's not a promiscuous person, as in I love woman, you know. I love woman. And we see a woman out the road, sexy, look nice. I like black woman. That's my preference. But what I want to get is that me is no saint. You get what I say? Me is no saint. Me not perfect. Whether in my car and see one really good looking girl on the road and say, oh, bombat, I saw that girl run. So, yeah, me that kind of guy. But not the cheating, not the promiscuous. Yeah. I do smoke. I smoke marijuana, ganja. I'm actually going to police work, go start smoke. Imagine that. So, before police work, I did kind of despise people who smoke. What actually happened was, I got up on an operation one day and it seemed as if me is the only person who never have one induced state of mind. Meaning a resilience duty. So you normally go out on them duty early in the morning, like some 3 o'clock then with them. So Montego Bay that come out of the shed. If you know Montego Bay, when you pass the Freeport police station, you have one like a shed thing, like where people wait in here. So the police them would always meet up out there. So I always see somebody that smoke, and it's like everybody on the van, so they go out now in the van back and everybody frost out I go out on the operation. And then to tell you the truth, me just look like one nerd because everybody in them denim and me in my number one. So number one of the uniform where I can wear on any duty except for circuit court, opening a circuit court, and them ceremonial duties, the parade and them kind of something, the escort, so you know, say, or the white uniform. But the number one, which is the candy stripe, you basically wear that for any duty. So I wear that and everybody else wear them denim because they say them a bad man, and that's how it really influenced me. So apart from that though, why I smoke weed is because, bear in mind, I know say it is bad for me and I'm probably not supposed to smoke it. Yeah, just so I get that out of the way. But it helped me sleep because whole heap of time I stress out. Life over here is so really rough sometimes. So it helped me fall asleep, it make my food taste better, and it just make listening music more fun. So yeah. Now on the old channel, I used to talk whole heap about politics and some whole heap of things where honestly, I really don't give a fuck about it. I really don't care about it. And yes, I do use curse words, but that will be the only one as proof that I do curse. Because I can come off as this Christian kind of churchy guy and people get the wrong impression. Oh, I am Christian, I do believe in a God. I not go to church for a while, know that. I not go to church for a while. You can probably share with me on a religious belief. Like me not prejudice either. Like me not care your sexuality, race or anything. Where me come from though, they really don't like gays. Like me don't know why they not like them. Me just not feel no way about nobody's sexual preference, cause why am I feel no way about people's sexual preference? But yeah, all in all, yeah, Christian guy might come off as churchy, but as me say, I'm not saint. Oh, one last thing before I go. So, I mentioned movies a while ago. So, I have a little issue getting actors. So, if you're in Westmoreland and you're interested in acting, please hit me up. The reason why I'm bringing you out today is under instruction on uncle. And the reason why out here are some top secret. So, I want to shoot a movie speaking about the breakup with my girlfriend, Colleen Spence. Long time subscriber, I don't know who I talk. Colleen Spence, want to do a movie speaking about that breakup, or you know, painting the whole picture how that breakup happened, how I meet her, all of that. So it will take some time, but I really want to get that movie done. So it might take me the entire year to get it done, but can shoot it piece by piece. And I'm looking for actors, male and female, because I don't want to play the male role and I don't want, well, I can't play the female role. But yeah, I need actors. So if you're interested, hit me up. And also, my brother Richard Brown Films does movies as well. So I can probably get in on that. What else? What else me that? Let's see again. That's it. That can basically be it for this video. So in this one, as I said, Kirk Banton, Dilton Johnson, Marlon Butler, Micah Brown, thank you for subscribe. And as I said, this one is for getting to know you guys, and you can probably tell me what kind of videos to make or a plot twist to a movie, and I go and get it shot and post it on here. Same quality, same everything, and you guys tell me what you think and we can move from there. And as I said, if you're someone that they introduced me to recently, welcome to the channel. My name is Zakeen. Thank you for tuning, and maybe see you in our next video. Later. Then, later. Oh, leave a like for the video. Yeah, later. Hello. Hello. Yo. You me I talk to. Take this thing for. Pussycat.